It's goodbye for the summer.
Parting is such sweet song.
Yep, our snowbird season of 22-23 is almost over.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We are leaving St. Patty's Pad. And heading to Yuma for a few days and then heading north.
St. Patty's Pad in the glorious country of Ogilby.
Yeah, we're a couple dorks. Oh, we have had a wonderful season out here. Couple weeks here, couple weeks there, couple weeks here, couple weeks there. And it's been awesome.
Gonna miss all the blooming of these things.
I know, look at the ocotillo. Wow.
They're finally starting to pop.
Well, we left our wonderful boondocking spot and now we are at an RV spot in Yuma. We are at Caravan Oasis RV. It's getting pretty thin at all the RV parks.
There's a reason for that. People are leaving because triple digits are on the way. I know Uncle Dave with our Endeavor said he wanted 100 degrees. Well, it's going to be 100 degrees this next week.
It's hot. We're getting out of here.
We need to get out of here and go north.
Yeah. We need to find that sweet spot that's not 100 degrees and not snowing.
Yes.
So we're just going to walk around and check it out a little bit.
No.
We have not been able to find a doggy park area, so who knows? Pretty empty, look at that. The road that we are in is just an overnighter, and I guess if you're not here for a week or a month, you're considered an overnighter. Okay, we think we found the dog park. You've got to be kidding me. Wow. Just wow. Pet exercise area. How do they get any exercise in there? It must be just for chihuahuas.
There you go. Want to run back and forth?
Unbelievable. Well, it's not gravel at least.
Hot sand.
Yeah, hot sand. Sand gets hot.
I'm not going to touch that.
That's not bad right now. It is if you're on it too long. I'm barefoot, so I could check it. Well, I have sandals on, but
Hey, at least they have an area.
yeah, at least they have an area. Probably,
Right next to the shuffleboard.
Probably good for little doggies. It's a pretty little area here. This is a 55 and older park. I'm gonna stand in the shade, it's hot. It's 80 something today. Yep, there's the dog run. So as of right now, it's just that Class A and us in the pull-through area overnight pull-through. So, which that works for us, right? That works for us.
Sure.
Gonna need some air conditioning. It's on right now, actually, so we need to get back in it.
It's toasty. It's in the mid-80s.
Yeah, it's hot for me. Well,
Here's an addendum.
yeah, upon further investigation and exploration, look what we found.
Found a real dog park
We found another little doggy area.
that's actually split in two.
Yeah, it's much bigger and better. There's that side has bushes for them to go pee-pee on. And then there's this little section right here. It has a doggy wash. It even has a ramp for them to get up.
Now, this thing's open 24 hours. Look at the shower head for the dogs.
Tom wants to come take a shower.
We don't have a shower that nice in our RV. This is open 24 hours. I could sneak over here in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I wonder how cold it is. But this is much better. They've got chairs to sit on. They've got shade. Much nicer and bigger. So I don't know, maybe that other little doggy park is for people that are playing those games and they've got to have their doggies with them.
Maybe.
So, okay, pretty cool. And it's not very far from where we are parked. Our trailer is right on the other side of those dumpsters. Where's the dumpsters? Yeah, there we are right there, the Alpha.
Let's go look at the pool. They've got two pools here. And there's a laundry room right there.
Oh, cool, okay.
On our way.
All right, let's go check out the laundry room. Oh, nice, wash tubs. Let's see, lights, there we go. Okay, how much? $2.10 to wash and $2 to dry. Probably can't see it on there. And you can use a credit card. Oh, only credit card. Oh yeah, only a credit card or some kind of, it doesn't take money. Insert card. Oh yeah, we won't be doing laundry here. No. Oh well. Well, it is time to leave Yuma. We're leaving the Caravan Oasis RV Park. We've been here for 4 nights, right?
Yes.
4 nights. Nice stay. We're in just the overnighter area, just a pull through, but it was nice and quiet. We had some fun flyovers from, because the airport is directly west of us in a straight line, so we had some good helicopter flyovers. Very good. I mean, this is the flight path for them, so it's not as cool as when they make a effort to come right over you. That was really special. That's in another video if you haven't seen it, right?
Yeah.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Check it out. So we are leaving. This is a nice little park. They have a pool right here, and then there's another one right over there. It's a smaller one. They have lots of things to do here if you're here all the time. They have lots of activities. A lot of people have left already. It is April 5th, so a lot of the Canadians have headed back north. And this is our first leg of heading back north. There's the other pool.
Take the next left on the Sage.
Well, this is our last stay in Yuma for this winter. We are heading north. We are actually heading to somewhere we've been many times, but we're going to do something that we've never done there.
Ever.
And you'll see that in the next video. So, or in the next Wednesday, right? What Up Wednesday. So, see ya, Yuma. See you next winter. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. And mind if it sets you free. Believe in only you. Yesterday is gone. Forget about tomorrow and the ceilings you see right through. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.